from Antipolo City, Jack De La Serna. Hi!
Hi, Miss Tenten. It's been a while.
Mukhang nag-prepare ka for this pageant. Medyo, it's like nanahimik and now you are pushing the limits para sa Mr. International Queen Philippines.
Actually, I took a hiatus from pageantry talaga to focus on myself and of course, diet. Kasi syempre, aside sa pag-practice ng Q&A, kailangan rin natin maging ready physically since it will be a lot of trans women competing dito.
Yeah. Isa sa palagay ko na isa sa mga edge mo with competing with these people, you are a big name and that is not a question at all. And I think you're gonna put a lot of colors in this pageant. I think what made you kanina shine is that yung aura of enjoying only with a very charming and pretty face, I guess.
Well, thank you so much kasi ang gameplay ko lang sana ngayon is to embrace my insecurity, which is my height. Since the theme for this pageant is transformation, I like to transform like the typical standard of pageantry na it's not just for the tall girls but it's to embrace diversity on every trans women dito sa Philippines.
Yeah, but in fairness to you, even you're saying that you are small, pero I think you outshine other candidates because of your parang fresh and yan nga sabi ko, very charming, very fresh and blooming aura.
Well, thank you so much. Salamat po sa, of course, sa effort din ng mga makeup artist and of course, Sir Marlon, sa mga paano magiging eksena natin tonight. Ayun po.
Napakadami na nag-aabang sa'yo right here para sa ating Mr. International Queen of Philippines. There are a lot of spectators for Jack De La Serna. Ano ang masasabi mo rito?
Well, ang daming magaganda ngayon. So, we're just hoping for the best and may the best girl represent the Philippines.